Hey traders, Akil Stokes here, and welcome to another episode of the Trading Blog. In today's video, I want to share some footage from my live trading room of a conversation that we had with a struggling trader, and it wasn't the best conversation in the world, but I think it's something that a lot of you guys need to hear. And understand that as a coach, I work with a lot of traders, a lot of different personalities, and it's not my job always to be your friend. It's my job to help you accomplish the goal. And although this member that we were talking to isn't a client of mine, they are a member of the live room, and we want to try and push everyone, push the right philosophy of trading on everyone, and really stop traders who seem to be on that path of disaster. So in this video, we dealt with a trader who was breaking his rules, and well, I'll just let you guys go ahead and see it. Yes. I saw Honest, you should stop trading and learn to trade first. Is somebody making a mistake here? What are you doing, Andy? What are you doing, Andy? Maybe it's a good thing I missed it. Are you trading something you're not supposed to be trading? I'm gonna take that sad face as a yes. What am I doing here? I'll take that sad face as yes. Well, I can't make you stop. You struggle with stop placement for patterns. What's your rules? Are you trading a pattern right now? Let's start with that. Are you trading this pattern? So what's your rules for stop placement on Gartley formations? Let's just cut to the chase. Don't even give me a story. Just tell me you don't have one. Let's not even beat around. Let's just tell me you don't have one. We know it's going there. So just say it. Do you have rules for trading Gartley formations? Well, I was incorrectly using a 117 Fibonacci inversion, but now it's, well, did you test it? Is the 117 what you tested? Because if you did and it works, then you're not incorrectly using it. How did your testing go when you used the 117? You didn't test it, so why are you trading it? Why are you trading something you didn't test? How do you know that this even works? How do you know that what you're putting your money at risk for is even something that's going to make you profit? How do you know you're just not throwing your money away, flushing it down the toilet? Seriously, how do you know? How do you know? Yeah, you don't. So you're just wasting money. And there's a lot of charities out there that would love to have your money. So stop doing it. Write it down as a bad trade. Exit right now. Exit immediately. Whenever you're in a bad trade, you exit at market. Not everyone uses the same rule for stop placement, but that doesn't even matter. The fact is you're trading something you didn't test. Not only are you trading something you didn't test, you're trading something that you thought you knew. So you thought you knew something. You went ahead and put money at risk, not knowing the right thing, making the assumption that you did. That's not how a professional acts. Does that seem like a professional move? No. I say this all the time on these YouTube videos, and it gets me upset. I always say you only know enough to hurt yourself. And people watch these videos, they hear me say one thing, or they hear Greystone say one thing, and they automatically go out there and they try to do it right away. And they have no idea what they're doing, but they think that they heard it somewhere. And then they end up doing it the wrong way, because they think they know something. Or they end up doing something they never tested because they think it's the right way to do it. And they throw money away. And it's offensive. It's offensive. Because this is not a hobby, guys. This is not a hobby. This is not a fun little game that we come in and play. Right? For many, this is your livelihood. For many, you're going on to try and make some type of career out of this. Whether it's education, whether it's managing money. For many, you're using this as a way to make some supplemental income, to make some side cash, to maybe manage an investment account of your own. We have a lot of traders that go on to try and manage their own retirement accounts because they'd rather do it themselves than pay someone else to do it. You think those traders are going in guessing and playing around and thinking they know what they're doing? Putting their money at risk for something that might work? Putting at risk all of the years they worked to save that retirement money? No. So you got to stop it, man. You got to stop it. Stop wasting money. Get educated. Because trust me, you're going to spend more money trying to guess and think and making mistakes in the market than you are going to by spending it on a training course or spending it on a book. Stop wasting money. But we do appreciate your honesty. We do appreciate your honesty. It says a lot about you to be able to admit it. That means that you're willing to change. You get many people that get so defensive and you know they're going to go and do the same thing. So at least it shows that you made a mistake, but you know what you did was wrong. And that happens. We all make mistakes. We've all done it. You're not the only one. I've done it many times. Our live room members have done it many times. That's why so many of them are trying to help you out. It's not because they're like, oh, who is this idiot? It's like, oh, no, I did this before. I know where this is going. I know exactly where this is heading. That was me. That was me. So it does take a big person to accept criticism. So we appreciate that. I think I speak for everyone. I say we appreciate that. But stop doing it. Stop doing it. Exit right now. All right, let's go down to the 15-minute chart on dollar Canada. See if we can sneak one more pair in before War Room starts. We'll go to. So I got a really good response after our live room session from different traders saying, "Hey Akil, I know it may have seemed a little harsh, but your rant was dead on. As traders, we kind of need that. Sometimes we need tough love to go along with the pats on the back as well. And again, as a trading coach, I have no problem doing that." Unfortunately, the trader that I was speaking to, probably about an hour or so later, made the same exact mistake again, and it was a little hurtful and a little disrespectful to our other members of the room. So we shall see. We're not going to give up on people, especially if they're a part of our community. All we can do is keep trying to be good role models, keep trying to present the right message, and it's going to be up to the trader whether they want to take it or not. The options, right? You kind of get one gimme. Your first gimme is when you're in that unconscious, incompetent stage of trading where you're a little baby. You don't, not like a little baby, but like as a baby would act. You don't know what you don't know. Babies don't know what will hurt them, what will harm them. They're kind of just exploring the world for the first time. But once you start to learn rules, once you start to learn what the proper mindset is and the proper way to go about things, then you have no one to blame but yourself. And it's up to the trader whether you're going to continue to make the same mistakes and eventually, blow your account and become a statistic, a negative statistic, or are you going to make a change and really take the steps needed to become a consistently profitable trader? We get a lot of questions all the time. Hey, Akil, just because I take your training course, does that mean that I will automatically become successful? And the answer is no, it's never no. My job is to lay down all of the ground rules for you. I can give you the ground rules. I can help you out with psychology. I can show you everything you need to know trading wise to put you on the path to success. I can even hold your hand while you're walking down that path for success. But ultimately, you have to be the one to take the steps. You are the one that controls your destiny. And at the end of the day, if you fail at trading, it's your fault. If you succeed at trading, it's your glory. And that's just the way it is. All right, traders, so I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please show us by hitting that like button and subscribing by clicking the button right below. If you're looking for more educational content, feel free to head over to our tradingpower.com website, or also take a look and you'll see more videos available for you. Have a good one.